So now let's get started running code into the Python interpreter. For this course, you don't need to install any new software. You can run Python right on your web browser by visiting this link. As you can see here, I've put together a Python interpreter that you can use on your web browser. If you're following this course on YouTube, you can use this one. Otherwise, you can use the platform interpreter, or otherwise you can install Python on your own machine. To install Python on your machine, head over to python.org/downloads and follow the instructions. Now it's time for your first programming quiz. You've seen enough to be able to write a Python program, and your goal is to write a Python program that prints out the number of minutes there are in 7 weeks, which is the amount of time we have for this course. You'll do that by entering your code in here. And then you can try different things. You can try running the code, see the result. And then when you've got an answer, you can click to submit that answer and see if it is correct. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one with the solution of this quiz.